Hi folks, we like our unboxing videos here at Luvele. Today we're going to unbox the Deluxe Pro Vacuum Sealer. So let's take a look inside. First we have our 22 centimeter wide bag rolls. We include two 5-meter rolls. Next we have our coloured instruction manual, our What's Cooking Socials card. Would love for you to share some photos of your Luvele appliances in action. We include a bonus set of foam gaskets for your Deluxe Pro Vacuum Sealer. So let's take out the vacuum sealer itself. Before we take a look at that, we also include a hose connector for your fresh vacuum container set. And last up, we also include our 28 centimeter bag rolls. We include two 5-meter rolls. Remove the protective packaging to reveal your Deluxe Pro Vacuum Sealer. Lift up the lid and remove the tape that's securing the bag roll cutter. Turn your vacuum sealer on its side to unwind the power cable and remove the cover. Place your vacuum sealer back on its feet and you're ready to begin enjoying your new vacuum sealer. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments section below. See you soon.